Hello everyone, we are Guru 23 and today we are introduce STARLUX Airlines and E.SUN Bank. It's online. And first, let's look at Taiwan's economic landscape. Despite the 2020 global pandemic, Taiwan achieved positive GDP growth. In 2021, a surge in tech product demand drove export to a decade-high growth rate. However, by 2023, global inflation and the interest rate hikes introduced uncertainty. The CPI and core CPI showed a stable price environment. The rising core CPI reflects increasing living cost. Next, let's see the Taiwan Stock Exchange. Founded in 1961, headquartered at the Taipei 101. Main business scope includes listening, trading, settlement, and surveillance. The exchange has 1959 listed companies, including TAIEX and T50, reflect market performance. Next, let's see the policy. The Trump administration's 32% import tariff on goods entering the US has affected global trade. Fortunately, Taiwan is not subject to reciprocal tariffs. However, air cargo shipments from Taiwan to the US dropped 60% during the Lunar New Year's, rebounding by 68% the following week. These volatilities affect airlines like STARLUX. The next, let's see the STARLUX Airlines. Star code 2646.TW and founded in 2018 and it began operation in 2020. STARLUX is a rising star in Taiwan's aviation industry. It competes with major players like China Airlines and EVA Air. Despite its young, STARLUX has carved a niche with its premium service strategy, targeting high-end travelers. Now let's see the E.SUN Bank. The company was founded in 1934 and headquartered in Taipei, with 28 overseas branches in regions like China, Australia, and Los Angeles. E.SUN is a global player. Its services including dispatch, loans, foreign exchange, wealth management, and cutting-edge digital banking. E.SUN's commitment to sustainability has earned a spot on the Dow Jones Sustainability Index and the Forbes Best Bank World. It focuses on ESG financial and green identity, position it as a leader in responsible banking. Let's see the relationship between E.SUN Bank and the STARLUX Airlines. The connection between E.SUN Bank and the STARLUX Airlines is their corporate credit card partnership, designed for high-end customers. This collaboration integrates financial and travel service, offering exclusive perks to cardholders. Notably, there's no significant leading relationship between the two. Their cooperation focuses on marketing and corporate products. Let's see the RE. ROE increased from 8.066% to 13.60%. This reflects not only better asset efficacy, but also effective use of financial leverage, leading to enhanced value creation for shareholders. Let's see the ROA. ROA rose from 0.47% in 2022 to 0.68% in 2024. E.SUN has become more efficient at generation profit from its total assets. Indication improve operational performance and better asset utilizations. Let's see the year. Year dropped from 70.15 to approximately 15.8. E.SUN is gradually reduced its reliance on financial leverage, indicating a shift toward a more stable and conservative capital strategy that reduce financial risk. Uh, let's see the CBC monetary policy. Let's see the discount rate. A continued rise in the discount rate indicate that the central bank is tightening its monetary policy to control inflation and reduce excess liquidity in the market. As the discount rate increase, borrowing costs for commercial banks go up, leading to higher interest rate for loans. This discourages consumption and investment, helping to cool down the economy and curb inflation. Let, let's see the reserve requirement ratio. For 3 consecutive years, the central bank has raised the reserve requirement ratio, and in 2024, employment differentiate management by setting varying ratio for different type of deposit. This indicates that the central bank is using reserve hike as a tool to effective tighten market liquidity, curb credit expansion, and achieve its policy goal of price stability and financial system soundness. Next, let's see the N2 money supply. The latter chart displays the N2 money supply, while the right chart shows the year-on-year growth rate of N2. Taiwan's N2 continued to grow in total volume, but the decline year-on-year growth rate reflects slowly monetary expansion, influenced by a high base effect, capital outflow, and slower credit growth. Money liquidity has stabilized, reduced short-term inflation and policy pressures. Um, let's see the stock price prediction. We can use two ways. The first one is PE valuation. Uh, the 2025 4-year EPS, we assuming Q2 for Q4 performance remain consistent with Q1. It's 0.3 TDW per quarter. The 4-year EPS is 1.2 TDW. According for cost pressure, uh, Conservative estimate range from 1.0 to 1.1 TDW. The target PE ratio. The current PE is 45, and considering growth potential, the target PE is assumed to moderate to 30 to 35 by the end of 2025. Now let's look at calculation. Uh, the share price is 31.5 to 36.75 TTW. The another way is PB variation. Uh, the current PB is 2.5. And the 2025 book value per share is estimated at 15 TDW. So our target PB is 2.0 to 2.2. And then we can calculation. The share price is 30 to 33 TDWs. And finally is comprehensive forecast. Combining the two methods, 2025 year-end share price forecast is 32 to 38 TWD. The upside scenario is 40 to 45 TWD. Tariffs are fully levied. Downside scenario is 28 to 32 TWD. Tariff reverts to 32%.